Hawthorne effect, a very very interesting phenomena in psychology. Now what happens when a little child is in presence of a parent or is in a classroom? They might be mischievous at some point, but as soon as they see a class teacher around or a parent around, they would stop whatever mischievous activities they are doing. Now this is what is called as Hawthorne effect. You actually tend to be a different person in presence of some set of people, and this is just because you have a feeling that there is a awareness or people are observing you. And this condition where you feel that you are being paid attention to, you are being listened to, you are being seen to, makes a significant change in your personality, and this is called as Hawthorne effect. So this initial experiments were done at Hawthorne Works, which was an electric factory in Illinois, and the study was very very interesting. So what the researchers wanted to do, they wanted to change variables like lightning conditions etc. to see how the worker efficiency improved. Now it was interesting to find out whether there was a bright light or the dim light, the workers started producing more. And this was because the workers were paying attention to the situation. Okay, there are changes in the lighting conditions, there are changes in the environment. Now this could be a way that motivated the workers to work more, or this could be a way through which they felt that they are being observed closely for this duration, and as a result the productivity at the industrial unit increased. So how does this Hawthorne effect actually works? There are four important things that actually turn up the Hawthorne effect, and this is, firstly, a person has a desire to please. Now this is commonly seen with smaller children desiring to please their parents under a subconscious level in their mind. The same works with employee-employer at many places. The next is a new situation. Now whenever there is a new situation, a novelty in a situation, this could actually enhance your performance, because you might have a mixed bucket of feelings where you're not sure how would you perform in that situation, and as a result you give in your best. The same happens in an examination room, right? So it's a novel situation. You might write hundreds of mock papers at home, but when you are into a real examination situation, the output and the result changes, right? The next is increased feedback. So once you start to receive higher feedback, you are aware that someone is monitoring you, and as a result your performance and productivity would increase. And the last one is, sometimes it so happens that you feel valued because others are paying attention to you. You feel that, okay, I'm important, I do have an important position for now, and as a result your responses and your performances would automatically increase. So this is seen everywhere, from workplace to student life to classroom discussions to researches. All of these remind us of a complex human mind and behavior, and that's one of the very interesting studies in psychology. We will cover more interesting concepts. Stay tuned, stay subscribed, and of course if you are looking for a compendium of those are available comprehensively in the study material. Thank you.